Hello. Matlock Episode 6 sets the stage for Madeline Matlock's revenge, but the thrilling development occurs at the worst possible time for Kathy Bates' character. Madeline Kingston, a retired septuagenarian lawyer, has returned to practice at the prominent Jacobson Moore law firm in New York City. Madeline is infiltrating the corporation using a fictitious identity in order to discover who withheld records that could have taken opioids off the market years earlier, potentially saving her daughter, Ellie. Madeline announces in the premiere that she wants to imprison whoever is responsible, which is Matlock's game-changing revelation. Madeline is closer than ever to completing her goal following the case in Matlock Episode 6, 16 Steps, which struck an emotional chord. Olympia and Julian are retrying a case involving poisoned baby formula and the death of Anna. Olympia and Julian are retrying a case involving poisoned baby formula and the death of Anna and Vanessa's baby child. Julian and Olympia's already strained marriage was exacerbated by the case, causing them to file for divorce. When they attempt again, they succeed with Madeline's assistance. The development reunites Olympia and Julian, and their partnership facilitates Madeline's strategy. Matlock's Episode 6 case shows how delayed justice cannot fix grief. This realization speaks directly to Madeline. Despite their win, Matlock demonstrates that justice alone cannot heal suffering. Olympia and Julian lost their first case because the jury didn't like the parents. The absence of emotional connection occurred because neither parent took the stand as a plaintiff, fearing that a cross-examination would portray them as horrible parents. Olympia avoids repeating her mistake and demands a parent's testimony. Anna accepts, but soon she has health issues. Vanessa, the more restrained parent, takes over in her place. To elicit compelling testimony from Vanessa and ensure that the jury sympathizes with the parents, Olympia realizes she must take Vanessa back to a difficult time, when her son died. While she questions if it is ethical, Madeline pushes her to proceed, which aligns with Madeline's morally problematic retribution plan. Olympia makes Vanessa emotional on the witness by asking about Dante, and her riveting evidence, combined with causation, wins the case. However, when Madeline congratulates Vanessa on their triumph, the plaintiff reacts with a chilly, hostile glare. Vanessa is in a terrible state of grief, despite their victory. Madeline finally gets to work on pharmaceuticals with Julian. 16 Steps heats things up. Matlock, Julian and Olympia side by side. Near the end of Matlock Episode 6, Olympia and Julian reconcile after resolving a major issue in their marriage. There is a fresh sense of excitement and connection between the pair, which culminates when Julian tells Olympia that he does not want to leave their flat for the evening and should never have left their marriage. Olympia and Julian reconcile, and their reunion is sealed with a kiss. While they keep their connection private, the couple has created an alliance that closely relates to Madeline Kingston's covert revenge scheme. At the end of Episode 6, Julian and Olympia ask Madeline if she would want to work on a pharmaceutical case. Throughout 16 Steps, Madeline provides critical information when it is most required, demonstrating that she is an indispensable member of any team. With Julian and Olympia working together again, they feel Madeline should put her abilities to work for him, which would never have happened if the pair was still feuding. The shifting interactions between people, as seen in Episode 6, is one of the reasons Kathy Bates' Matlock is so interesting. How Matlock Episode 6 case influences Madeline's need for revenge. Matlock Episode 6 case allows Madeline to pursue her objective. Madeline wants to concentrate on pharmaceutical cases, so she's been attempting to get closer to Julian. Madeline claims she wants to work on pharmaceutical matters because that's where the money is. In truth, she wants to concentrate on pharmaceutical cases so that she may obtain papers that will allow her to hold Jacobson Moore accountable. Thank you for watching.